Welcome back to Raji's Cooking Show. Today we're making a simple, healthy and flavorful dish, healthy sesame garlic cauliflower low-carb side dish. This is a quick low-carb recipe packed with fresh spices and delicious crunch. Let's get started. Here are our fresh and wholesome ingredients and the calorie chart. Portion control is very important. First, heat your cooking oil in a skillet and add cumin seeds. Let them crackle for about 30 seconds until the aroma fills your kitchen. Now add your sliced onions, a pinch of turmeric and a little salt. Cook until the onions turn soft and golden. Add grated garlic, half of the fresh ginger, dried red chilies, and sesame seeds for extra flavor and texture. Now add the cauliflower, mix everything together, cover, and let it cook until tender. Uncover the pan, add jalapeno and the rest of the ginger for that fresh spicy kick. Finish with fresh cilantro and extra sesame seeds for a beautiful healthy side dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so everyone can enjoy healthy cooking together. Also, recipe in the description box. See you next time on Raji's Cooking Show.